Hello, welcome to another episode with Software Design. Today, we want to teach you how you can design this flyer like this. This is our inspiration. So, without no waste of time, let's work with it. So, from here, create a new folder. Let's press Ctrl New. Let's finish it up. Press Ctrl New. Now, so we have our set design section already. This is the width. This is the height, which is the resolution is set to 400 resolution, and then click on OK. Then now we have it. So let's import our assets. So let's go to our asset. Look at our asset one. Look at one, two. So we can now import our assets here like this. We import this asset. We need our background as well. I think this is our background, so import as well. Yes, it's okay. So now let's select this. Let's turn off these other ones. So now we want to remove the white background. So removing this white background, you come to select subject, and from this select subject, it will select that particular shawarma, this shawarma exactly. So press Ctrl J. When you press Ctrl J, it's make that selection a layer. So come to your section here, just turn it off. Then you now have it as a single layer. Let's turn it off. What you are seeing here is without the white background. So you can select this, you can delete it. Let's use it like that. So it's here on its own. So we can now use it. So now this is the background. Let's turn it on. It's a background I want to use behind here like this. Okay. So now from here, let's take the shawarma up. We take it up here a bit. So let's look at our inspiration from here. You see that there is a white curve here. The shawarma is behind it. So what we just want to do something similar to this so that you can get it. So a special shawarma, let's say a tasty shawarma. We're using a tasty shawarma. So from here, also we will also make something out of it. So instantly, let's create a rectangle like this. This is a rectangle here. And this rectangle, we want to change the color here to white. This is white. So instantly, we will have to change it to, I want to curve it. So come to this curvature tool here, or you can select it, click here. So look at the curve. Or let's use the curvature tool. Add node. If you add node here, look at what happens. Exactly. So you can readjust it to this point. Let me take it up. So you take this shawarma up. You see how it comes out very well. Like this. This is okay. So now the next thing is you want to say tasty shawarma. So come to your text tool here. Select it. You want to say tasty shawarma. So let's cut. I want to rearrange it. Let's rearrange. Duplicate it. You press alternate and hold. You can duplicate on it. Let's paste it like that. So we say tasty. So our main theme here is our focus attraction is on the shawarma. So we have to make it pronounced by all costs. So from that is our main focus. So this shawarma, it has to be bigger, the tasty a bit smaller, like this. Select it and then make your adjustment. So from here, I want to bring the shawarma upwards so that we'll have this feel here. You have this feel in between so that this shawarma comes up like this. So now we want to change this color, let it come out very well. So before then, we'll add a background behind. To come to your rectangle here, select a rectangle like this, draw it, and then it's white. So you can now, you can turn it if you want to. Let's turn it this way a bit. So we want to be creative, at least little. Then this is, the shawarma is down, so let's bring it up on top of it. You can as well turn it as shawarma. Okay. Let's change the color of, we want to change the color of this. So double click here. We want to change it to green. So hold alternate, or you can just leave a click. We want similar green. Then change, we'll select the shawarma and change the color to white. It is okay. Then we'll change this tasty to yellow. Let's see. Change it to yellow. No, it doesn't work that way. So I think this is the best way. Or we can still use, let's, another rectangle. And then I want to use red. Red is on my mind. So I tap here, select red, and click on OK. And then let me bring the tasty on top of it. Select the tasty, change it to white. Change it to white like this, click on OK. So you see how things are beginning to fall in place. So right now, you take this up a bit, up the shawarma like this. So it goes behind. So the only thing left for us right now is readjust it. Let's make the readjustment. Undo, drag it, press Ctrl T to select it, drag. So what is remaining is the contact and the address of the business. So before that, I want this background to be a bit blur. Come here, select this background, come to filter, come to blur, select Gaussian blur, reduce, let's reduce it a bit, but I want to blur it. Select, reduce it a bit, and click on OK. And then I want to add a little bit shadow from here. So this shadow, now come here, select your new layer. This is a new layer down here, as you can see. Click on it, select a new layer. So we want to give, you select, note that this is on black, make sure it's on black. You click on it, you see how the black comes out. So now Ctrl T to select it, then press Shift and hold. You see how it swipe down like that. So you can now bring it here. So let's reduce the opacity. You reduce the opacity a bit and see the feel. This is the opacity like this. Let's reduce, let me reduce it. Let's see. So that the strength will not be much. So from here I can still blur it. No, it can't be blurred because let's reduce it. Let's reduce. Okay. At least it's looking original. So right now, what is remaining is the contact details, which you can input now. So contact us. Just click. No, let's undo. Once you click now, continue. You write the contact details. 081 like that, in that order. So your phone number, it doesn't matter your phone number. Be confident in yourself, please. Whatever design is confident, select it. Design is confidence. I want to tell you that, please. Just have confidence in yourself. 0813 543 7, sorry, then 89085. So this This is the phone number which is boldly written here. And then we'll write contact. This is contact. We are making this as simple as possible. Contact details. Contact number. Let's write contact number. Select this and unselect this and then centralize from here. So we'll now change the font of this. This single font here is change it to a very little font. For instance, you select outfit. I have a font outfit. You can now select that outfit, change to capital letter, change to capital letter, like that. That's all. And change the color to red. Let's change to red, or our previous green, a green related. Okay. Finish. So this we have successfully designed a shawarma flyer. So please, this is very simple for beginners to follow. So if you have any questions, please reach out in the comment section for more. Thank you, and I hope to see you. Subscribe for more if you want this kind of tutorial, so that it helps us to create more videos for you in this one. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the top.